Hey beautiful people, I'm so excited to spill the beans about something that's totally transformed my hair care game. The Australian Organics Miracle Mega Bundle. The secret ingredient to every single one of these products is argan oil. So let's kick it off with my absolute favorite, the hair growth shampoo. It's full of magical goodness and no harsh chemicals. Next in line is the nourishing hair conditioner. Detangling is just a bonus. The real magic is in how it restores life and radiance to your hair. Then my weekly hair ritual with the hair growth mask. In just 20 minutes, it leaves my hair stronger, healthier, and yes, growing faster. Now let's talk about the crown jewel, the hair growth miracle serum. This is perfect for stopping hair loss and stimulating new growth. It also tackles scalp issues like sores, scabs, dandruff, and psoriasis. It's like a miracle in a bottle, and I'm here for it. Last but definitely not least, the award-winning hair growth spray. This strengthens your hair with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and moisturizes without a hint of greasiness. No more frizz and flyaways, plus protection from environmental and styling damage. Are you ready to join me on this hair care journey? Head over to www.theaustralianorganic.com.au to explore more. Once you're smitten, hit that buy now button. Your hair will thank you and heads will turn wherever you go.